everyone, Snidhika here and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this look. So if you're interested, then let's begin. First, I'm going to use this concealer by Swiss Beauty. I am on the shade Sand Sable, that is 02. First, I'm going to take some concealer on a brush and I'm going to clean underneath my eyebrows with it. Then I will apply some concealer on the lid area, and after that I am going to use a beauty blender to blend it properly all over my lid. With the help of a fluffy brush, I am going to take some loose powder. Then I am going to set the area where I have applied the concealer. With another fluffy brush, I am going to take this deep brown kind of shade and I will apply it on my crease area. With the same brush, I am going to take this shade and again I will apply it on my crease, just above the brown shade. I applied the brown shade to provide a proper shadow to this pink shade. Now I am going to properly blend these two shades and I will also try to create a wing. I will use the same concealer to draw a full cut crease. First, I am going to mark the area where I am going to do the full cut crease. After marking the area, I will clean or fill up the space with the concealer. Then I'm going to use a beauty blender to blend out the concealer properly so that it matches with my skin. Now I'm going to take this yellow shade with a fluffy brush to set the concealer. You can also set the concealer with some loose powder if you want. Then I'm going to use a round brush to intensify the pigmentation on my lids. Then I'm going to use this shimmery light yellow kind of shade, and with the help of a flat brush, I'm going to apply it. I am basically doing this to provide a good shine over there, but if you want, you can also skip this step. It is not mandatory to do it. Then I'm going to take this glitter on a flat brush and I'm going to apply it on that area where I have done the cut crease, or basically the area where I have applied the yellow shadow. As you can see, this was a pressed glitter, so there was no need to use any extra glue for applying it. Then I'm going to use this Lakme Insta Liner. This is a liquid liner. And with the help of this, I'm going to create an outer wing as well as an inner wing. Then I'm going to take some gel liner on an angle brush and I'm going to apply it on my lower waterline. Then I'm going to use this brown shade and with the help of a flat brush I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line to smoke it out. For the purpose of highlighter, I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply it on my brow bone and inner corners. Then I'm going to use this mascara and I will apply it on my upper lashes and lower lashes. If you want, you can first use an eyelash curler to curl your lashes and after that you can use the mascara. If you do not want to wear eyelashes, then you can obviously stop this look right here, but I'm going to apply it. So let me just go quickly off camera and then come back and show you the final look. So that's it for today guys. I hope you loved this look and if you did, then please do not forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. I post 4 times a week, so make sure to press the bell icon. And do not forget to comment down below and let me know what other eye makeup look you want me to create it for you. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, have fun, take care of yourself and bye bye.